Well, how are you getting on? Currently in Da Nang right now, going up to Bana Hills, this massive, massive place up on top of the mountains with a cable car and stuff, with those two Irish lads that are over there, sound boys. So we're gonna just get our tanks filled up right now and head on up. Just arrived now at Sun Hills, dropped the motorbikes off, going up. Apparently it costs 600,000 in, which is very, very pricey for Vietnam. It's like 25 euro, but should be cool up there. Let's go. Okay, so in the cable car, sticking the head out the little window, on the way up. This has been going for 10 minutes flat. It's very long. So I'm on this new bridge here in Vietnam, the one held up by God's hands. It's pretty cool. We're so high up right now. Look at the view. First impressions, Enda?
Not bad, I must say it's Harry Potter-esque.
This is the complete opposite to anything you'd see in Vietnam. A complete contrast, a complete juxtaposition from just 5 kilometers down the road. No. We're Irish, are you crazy?
I'll have ketchup and mustard on mine, please.
Yeah,
Me too, me too.
Nothing on mine.
Really?
If you're throwing out
Nothing?
Nothing on mine, yeah. No! No, I said nothing.
yeah. Okay.
If she doesn't, you're going to be making me a fresh one, so... No. Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Few steps to conquer here, with a few weird tunes playing. Don't do it, Mick. Again, do the Angelus. On top of this temple currently, it's the highest point in the whole area, at least that we can see with the naked eye. We're at 1,500 meters where we are right now. But you know, the cable car did bring us most of the way. But it's very interesting, you know, the contrast between over here, which is very traditional, and down there, which is completely Western. They're clearly about 12. But sure, look, we're in Vietnam. How's the shot look?
Not so bad, you know.
It's all winding down up here now. Are you pulling the tree down? This one? Yeah? Okay. Liverpool?
Right, who is he?
Lock Mick out, lock Mick out. Shy, he's gonna get in. He's gonna get in. Rich man.
You see, there shouldn't be a crane building a medieval building, because there should be slaves and there should be men's lives lost, sacrificing to make the building. This crack with health and safety is a waste of time.
So it's not authentic, is that what you're saying?
It's not authentic at all. You can't say then like, oh, 15 men's slaves' lives were lost in this building alone, because it didn't happen. Some fella hit a few joysticks on the crane and built the wood.
This is definitely not the way, but sure, look. Don't know where we're going now, boys. So we're just stumbling casually around and we've come across this unfinished area. This is mad. It's funny how we've just been able to walk in here, no problem. There's literally not one sign stopping us at all. But it's cool just to see, obviously, you know, if someone came back in the future, you could easily be walking around in here and it'd be a tourist area, but not right now. This is the raw side of things here. Look at that. The things they don't want you to see, unless you take those cable cars, actually. So close yet so far. You just go underground here and this appears. From castle to arcade. So random, the whole of the underground here is just arcades, drop zones, fun fair, rock climbing, just cinema, movie. It's so bizarre. Where are we? We're not in Vietnam anyway. Everything is free. I did not expect to be doing this today, but sure, here we are, head-on collision. Stand by. Sun's starting to come down now. There's no one around whatsoever. We hope the cable car is still going because we're a bit late. And we need to get back to the hostel before it gets dark. We don't want to drive in the dark. It's about a 45-minute drive. So we gotta go. The cable car is finished. To find another way down. 1,500 meters above sea level right now. We're following these people with the hope of getting down.
50,
57. We have to sit here for about 15 more minutes, then we get the cable car back down, or at least that's what we think is happening. Finally, we're back down. It took long enough. It took about 15 minutes in the cable cars, maybe even longer, probably more like 20 minutes between the two. But it was really cool. It was really nice and kind of a weird feeling going down in the pitch black, so that was interesting. But yeah, 100% recommend that you come here to Bana Hill and to Sun World. Very good. If you're anywhere near Da Nang, Hue or Hoi An, come here 100%. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, comment down below, let me know what you thought. And if you're new around here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Ring the little bell, be notified when I upload, and I'll see you real soon. Good luck.